I'm so hungry for shawarma right now. Are we almost there?
Special ammo.
200.
Special.
300.
Special Tano. Take back interview. He said he could take an interview. Just speak. Go. Speak.
Mama moja hapa saidia.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam. Salama my sister. Welcome, karibu.
Mimi habari ya Damascus, mauza nini?
Wallahi hapa mauza chicken shawarma.
Bikam.
one sandwich 200.
وكيف تحبين مومباسا؟
والله عجبتني مومباسا وفي ناس طيبين وناس مش طيبين.
زي كل محل يعني. زي كل محل في العالم مش؟
طبعا.
شكرا على الشاورما. Bye.
Bye.
Wait, you guys can eat, Yani. Let me see yours. He's already devoured it. This is what it looks inside. It comes like this, a shawarma, and you pull the top off, but mine's kind of soggy. And this is the glorious shawarma. Chicken inside and sauce. You guys, what do you think of it? Come here. These guys are too hungry and they're just eating.
So delicious, mashallah.
It's so good. I have mine with no salad. How is yours with salad?
It's so nice and
200 bob a pop. You heard it here. Hassan, you hungry?
Yeah, man, but I can't eat after trying.
Live. The next stop from here is going to try Majia Miwa, which is sugarcane juice. Sugarcane juice. This is something I've never tried. It's nice and it's sweet. It's like actual sugar and water. This is lit. How much is this?
I think it's 50 bob.
It's 50 bob.
Yeah.
And this one is also 50 bob. It's cassava crisps. They're called kachri. Don't get sold for more than 50 bob. And they put lemon and masala and salt, and it's so good. Okay, this is one of the things on this list of street foods I've actually never tried. The rest I've kind of grown up eating, but I've never drank this because it smells bad. Here I go. I just know it's going to taste bad though. Take. But a lot of people like it. That one is how much?
50 bob.
It's 50 bob for that whole thing, like an actual real coconut, the whole one. This is so chilly but so good. Okay, so right now we're gonna go get ice cream. The best ice cream in Mombasa, according to me anyway. You guys want soft or normal?
Moja chocolate mix na vanilla. Chocolate vanilla moja. Moja chocolate plain. Na chocolate chip moja. Ndio.
Mint double cone, yeah, chocolate chip na vanilla chip. So these ice creams are from Azad. You can get the soft cone, which is the classic one they have, and there's normal ice cream like this, and they're all so good. One is 120, and obviously you get double, it's double the price.